So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can transfer your data from iPhone to Android, including WhatsApp, without paying anything or just for free. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings. Now in the settings you need to go to accessibility right there, and here scroll down till the last. You'll see this option of transfer. If you cannot, just simply search for the transfer and reset option right there. Just simply go to general, and here you'll see this option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click over there, and here when you click on get started, now first of all make sure that you are on the latest version of your iPhone, because the latest version of iPhones, that is 26.1 and above, supports transferring data to iPhone from iPhone to Android, including WhatsApp as well, because this is the feature that was never provided before. So it's a new feature. You can use it to transfer your data. Just simply go over there and hit on the option of get started, and this is the process that you need to follow, and it's a simple process that you can use to transfer your data from iPhone to any Android device. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.